The question is, do TVET graduates meet the industrial needs? Based on the 11th Malaysia Plan 2016-2020, about 60% out of 1.5 million jobs are expected to be created in need of qualifications related to TVET. To meet this requirement, Malaysia needs to increase the TVET student intakes and thus improve the percentage of TVET graduates. The government is spending 260 billion ringgit under the 11th Malaysia Plan development to transform TVET to meet industrial demand. One of the strategy is strengthening TVET governance for better management, strengthening the quality and delivery program to improve employability of TVET graduates, and branding for increasing interest in the TVET. The government expects Malaysia to be able to produce an effective TVET sector through 1. Streamlining of the national qualification framework and harmonising of various ratings across both private and public TVET institutions to ensure quality standard. 2. Enabling TVET provider and industry collaboration in leading curriculum development by eliminating the duplication of programs and resources and enhancing cost efficiency and expanding funding for TVET increased enrollment. 3. Enhancing TVET branding to increase its attractiveness. This can be achieved through promotional activities highlighting TVET as a career choice. These steps are parallel to Malaysian Education Blueprint, Higher Education 2015-2025. One of the aspects outlined is producing quality TVET graduates to cater to TVET employment opportunities by 2020. The Ministry of Higher Education, through community colleges, polytechnics and vocational colleges, have collaborated with industries to draw up and implement curriculum, improve coordination with the TVET providers, with the ministries and other agencies. The efforts made by the government has shown positive developments. Current statistics have shown that over 75% polytechnic graduates are employed after 6 months graduation, while the rest pursued higher level education. Some polytechnics even achieve up till 85% graduate employability. Among the factors that makes polytechnic graduates a first choice are: 1. The skill-focused training offered, which is 50% to 50% theory and practice. 2. The opportunities of adjusting to industry where they have undergone industrial training for 6 months. And 3. The engineering and technology programs offered are not available at the other universities. By contributing to the development of skilled human capital, Polytechnic holds an important role of being the catalyst for Malaysia to become a developed country, to attract foreign investors and thus achieve a high income status by 2020. Polytechnic students also have good exposures to the need of industries through encouragement of participation in skill competition, even as a student. Skill learning is integral now more than ever, considering that one's employability is no longer tied to exam result only. Polytechnic graduates were also exposed to entrepreneurship programs as a student. This polytechnic initiative has allowed graduates to be equipped to compete in becoming a successful entrepreneur. Polytechnic continuously improves the quality and standard of polytechnic graduates to be at par with the world class, through achievements of gold in Asian Pacific Accreditation and Certification Commission Malaysia, APAC, hence enabling polytechnic graduates to compete and be recognised at Asia Pacific region. The Government of Malaysia, Ministry of Higher Education, Polytechnic and industries all have a role in improving the quality of Polytechnics TVET graduates. Hence, establishing TVET graduates as a first choice for employability in the industry.